Who is Shishupala? Jai Vijaya. Shishupala and Dantavakra are Jai Vijaya who had fell down from the spiritual abode. Did they fell down or it is a pastime enacted by the Lord? So why it took? Because generally Shastra says anybody killed by the Lord will get liberation. So why did Lord had to kill them 3 times for giving liberation? When they were earlier also killed by the Lord only? Did they not get liberation at that time? Then did they again fall down from the spiritual world when they get liberation? So what actually happened? Even though they were killed by the Lord, it is the consciousness what matters. So Prabhupada in one purport in Adi Leela, he explains why these 3 lives. Referring to Vishnu Purana, where Maitreya is asking Parashara about this Jaya Vijaya fall down, how it is that Hiranyakashipu next became Ravana and enjoyed more material happiness than the demigods, but did not attain salvation, although when he became Shishupala, quarrelled with Krishna and was killed, he attained salvation and merged into the body of Lord Krishna. Parasara replied, Hiranyakashipu failed to recognize Lord Narasimhadeva as Lord Vishnu. He thought Narasimhadeva was some living entity who had acquired such opulence by various pious activities. Being overcome by the mode of passion, he considered Narasimhadeva as ordinary living entity, not understanding his form. Nevertheless, because Hiranyakashipu was killed by the Lord Narasimhadeva, in his next life he became Ravana and had the proprietorship of unlimited opulence. He was thinking he is a great man. He was never thinking Krishna as a supreme Lord as Narasimhadeva. That's why in the next life he wanted to achieve that opulence like the Lord. Because he was contemplating, he is more stronger than me, that's why he is able to kill me. I have to become more stronger like him. So that's why he became Ravana. As Ravana with unlimited material enjoyment, he could not accept Lord Rama as the personality of Godhead. Therefore, even though he was killed by Rama, he did not attain Sayujya or oneness with the Lord. In his Ravana body, he was too much attracted to Sita Devi. And because of that attraction, he was able to see Lord Rama. So how he was qualified that Rama came to him? Because he was very much attached to Sita. By contemplating on Sita, he became qualified to see Rama. But instead of accepting Lord Rama as incarnation of Vishnu, Ravana thought him as ordinary human being. And when killed by the hands of Rama, he got the privilege of taking birth as Shishupala, who had immense opulence that he could think himself as competitor to Lord Krishna. Although Shishupala was envious of Krishna, he frequently uttered the name of Krishna and always thought of the beautiful features of Krishna. Thus, by constantly thinking and chanting of Krishna, even unfavorably, he was cleansed of the contamination of his sinful activities. When Shishupala was killed by the Sudarshan Chakra, his constant remembrance of Krishna dissolved the reactions of his sins and he attained salvation by becoming one with the body of the Lord. Then when did they go back to the spiritual world? So Acharyas explain, so when Krishna came to this material world, all the Vishnu incarnations and many other personalities were present in the body of the Lord. So when Krishna was quitting this world and going back home, back to Godhead, and he was at every place he is leaving that particular people there. Like in a bus you have 100 people and you are going from destination 1 to destination 10. So when destination 2 comes, some few people get down there, 3 some people get down there, 4 some people get down there. So when Kshirodakshaya Vishnu was also there in the body of the Lord. So when he was disposing Kshirodakshaya Vishnu in the material Vaikunta, so at that time Jaya Vijaya are also disposed along with Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. So in that way they went back and resumed their position as Jaya Vijaya, the doorkeepers of the Lord. That is how it is said that even though they merged into the body of the Lord, they attained their position as Jaya Vijaya and resumed their services.